warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction myself. My name is Fania Septiani, class in 22A and in PM 2240 133. In the next time, I will explain the material managing digital business infrastructure. Managing digital business infrastructure refers to administration and oversight of the foundational system and technology that support a digital business operation. This infrastructure typical include elements like data center, cloud service, networking, hardware, and software. Platform that allow for seamless digital process, communication, and data management. Effective management in this area ensure high performance, security, scalability, and reliability for all digital service and application used by the business. Additional, it involves optimized research, managing research, and implementing tools to monitor and maintain system. Here's brief explanation of each term. Learning outcomes outline the range of digital technology used to build a digital business infrastructure within organization and with its parents. Review the management action need to maintain service quality for use of digital platform. Digital business infrastructure component. Kampas 2000 describe an alternative 5-level infrastructure model of what he refers as the information system. Function chains. Number 1. Storage or physical, memory and disk hardware component. Number 2. Processing, computation, and logic provided by the processor. Number 3. Infrastructure. This refers to the human and external interface and also the network referred to as extrastructure. Number 4. Application or content. This is the data processed by the application into information and next, intelligence additional computer based logic that transforms information knowledge. And next, each of these elements of infrastructure present separate management issue which we will consider separately. Now, example number 1, digital business, service application layer, CRM supply chain, management data mining, content management system. And number 2, system software layer, web browser and server software and standard networking, software and database management system. Number 3, transport of our network layer, physical network and transport standard TCP or IP. Number 4, storage or physical layer, permanent magnetic storage on web server or optical backup or temporary storage, and memory RAM. Number 5, content and data layer, web content for internet, extranet, and internet sites, customer data, transaction data, clickstream data. And next, a short introduction to digital technology. Number 1, client server. The client server model is a network architecture where a client, such as user, device, or application, requests research or service from a server. a central computer or program that provide servers to multiply client. The server process this request retrieve the necessary data and send it back to the client. This model allows for centralized control, making it easier to manage and scale research. Common examples include web browser client, communication with web server, or email application request email from email server. And next, Internet Service Provider (ESP). An Internet Service Provider (ESP) is a company or organization that provide individual and business with access to the Internet. ESP offer various plans for Internet connectivity, often with options for different speeds, data limits, and types of connection such as DSL, fiber optic cable, or satellite. ESP also manage network infrastructure, handle traffic, and ensure users have reliable access to the internet. And next, backbone. In the context of networking, backbone refers to the main infrastructure of a network, specifically the high-speed data routes that connect smaller regional networks and carry the majority of the internet traffic. This backbone consists of the powerful routers, switch, and cables, usually fiber optic, that transmit large volume of data across long distance and with and between major network (ESPs) and data center backbones from the core gateway for internet traffic worldwide, enabling fast and efficient communication across different regions and countries. And next, management uses in creating a new customer-facing digital service. Domain name selection. Number one, com reprints an international or American companies such as www.amazon.com. Number two, ORIs used by not-for-profit organization www.grandpage.org. Number 3, Mobi is introduction for sites, configures for mobile phones. And next, number 4, Net is a web network provider such as www.demon.net. And number 5, Edu is an academic institution is the US. There are also specific country coded top level domain. And number 6, Co UK represents a company based in the UK, such as www.guardian.co.uk. And number 7, AU.CAE.DES.FI.FR.IT.NL etc. represents other country. The UK syntax is anomaly. And number 8, UK is a UK-based university or other higher education institution @g.w Cranfield UK. And number 9, ORG UK is for a not-for-profit organization focusing on a single country, agwww.matchup.org. And next, cloud computing. The use of distributed storage and processing on server connected by the internet typically provide as a software or data storage as a subscription service provided by other company. Webmail readers, e-commerce account, and purchasing management facility such as Amazon.com, many services from Google such as Google Maps, Gmail, Pisica, and Analytics. And next, Office application solution from Microsoft with Office 365. Customer Relationship Management application from Salesforce, Sable, or Oracle. Their advent and three disadvantages of open source software. Advantage of source software. Number one, effective file free to purchase. Cost of migration from existing system may be high and will include cost of dispersion and staff training. Number two, lower cost of maintenance such upgrade are free. There is not a specific counter argument for this, but see the sandwich below. Number three, increase flexibility. Organization with the research can tailor the code. Frequent patches occur through collaborative development. Disadvantage of open source software. Number one, has less vocational than commercial software. Simply leads to ease of use and fewer errors. Many functions not used by the majority of users. Number two, more likely to contain bugs compared to commercial software such evidence does not seem to suggest this is the case. The modular design needed by collaborative development enables problems to be solved and resolved. Summary. Number one, business need to provide a range of digital business infrastructure that can support users a range of desktop and mobile platform and is flexible enough to change with different business demands. Number two, mobile platform destination involves selection of which mobile operation system to target provision of mobile-based service and whether additional apps are required. Number three, a five-layer model for managing digital business infrastructure is refined where level 1 is the application layer, 2 is the system software layer, 3 is the transmission layer, 4 is the storage or physical layer, and 5 is the content or data layer. Integration different web service using cloud component can enable business software function to be added with limited scope development. Number 5. Software is a service, such as profit are increasing important as business look to reduce infrastructure costs and improve service delivery through external hosting of application data and organization. That's all I can say. I say thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.